RotaCloud allows employees to swap their shifts with teammates or put in a request to not work a shift. These requests are then sent to the admin or manager of your account for them to approve or deny, and you will receive a notification once they respond. To request a shift swap, go to your rotas page and find the shift you wish to swap. Click on the shift. You should see a pop-up box giving you the option to either swap shift or request unavailability. When you click Swap Shift, you will be given a drop-down list of employees who are also assigned to work that role and at that location. Select the employee you wish to give the shift to. You will then see the option to cover one of their shifts in return and click Request Swap. If you do not wish to cover one of their shifts in return, just leave this section blank and click Request Swap. This will then be sent for approval from the other employee and from your admin or manager. This is represented by an orange crossed arrows on the rota. This will then change to green if approved or red if denied. To swap a shift in the RotaCloud app, go to the Shifts tab and tap on the shift you wish to swap. Select Swap Shift. You will see a pop-up box that asks you to select the employee you wish to give the shift to. Select the employee and tap Next. You will then see a list of that employee's shifts and be asked to select one you will work in return. Once you've done this, tap Request Swap. If you do not wish to work a shift in return, you can just give your shift to another employee by ignoring this section and selecting Request Swap. This will be then sent for approval. To request unavailability on the desktop, click on the shift you do not wish to work and select Request Unavailability from the pop-up box. You will then be given the option to add a message for your employer. Then click Request Unavailability. This will show as an orange stop symbol on the rota whilst awaiting approval. You will then be notified when your request has been approved or denied, and the symbol will change to green if approved or red if denied. To request unavailability within the mobile app, go to the Shifts tab and tap on the shift you wish to request unavailability for. An option box will pop up where you can select Request Unavailability. You will then be prompted to leave a reason or message for your employer. Once you have left your message, tap Request Unavailability. This will now have been sent for approval and you will be notified once it has been actioned.